tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Tired of printers that fight you every step of the way? The ones that promise the world but deliver endless frustration? What if I told you there's a new color laser printer that makes printing not just easy, but genuinely enjoyable? Well, get ready, because today we're diving deep into the Xerox C320 Color Printer, a device that promises to redefine your printing experience. This isn't just another printer. It's a productivity powerhouse designed for the modern home office or small business, bringing professional-grade color printing right to your desk. We've put it through its paces, and trust me, you're going to want to hear about this. First up, let's talk about what Xerox calls a new level of ease. And honestly, they're not exaggerating. From the moment you unbox it, the C320 is designed to remove every single pain point you've ever had with a printer. The intuitive touchscreen display is a game changer. It's like using your smartphone, making navigation and customization incredibly simple. No more squinting at tiny buttons or complex menus. But the real magic for setup comes from the Xerox Easy Assist app. This isn't just a basic guide. It walks you through installation step by step, ensuring a quick, secure setup without needing an IT degree. Imagine getting your printer up and running, connected to your network, and ready to print in minutes, not hours. Plus, with integrated support and printer monitoring, you'll rarely, if ever, need to call for technical help. It's all about empowering you to manage your printing effortlessly. Next, let's talk about connectivity and convenience. Because in today's mobile world, being tethered to a single device is simply unacceptable. The Xerox C320 understands this perfectly. With built-in Wi-Fi, Apple AirPrint, Mopria Print Service, and Wi-Fi Direct, you have the ultimate freedom to print from virtually any device. Whether it's a document from your laptop, a photo from your smartphone, or a presentation from your tablet, the C320 is ready. No more hunting for cables or transferring files. This also means incredible flexibility in placement. You can put this printer wherever it makes the most sense in your workspace, freeing up valuable desk real estate and decluttering your life. This level of seamless integration truly elevates your workflow, allowing you to focus on what matters most. But what good is convenience without quality? Which brings us to stunning color with Xerox Genuine Supplies. This is where the C320 truly shines and makes an impact. Every print you produce will be elevated with vibrant, true-to-life colors that pop off the page. We're talking about a sharp 1200 by 1200 dpi print resolution that delivers crisp lines, razor-sharp text, and graphics that truly stand out. Whether it's a client proposal, marketing material, or just a colorful family photo, the C320 ensures readability and visual impact. And it does all this at incredible speeds, up to 35 pages per minute for letter-sized documents. That's fast enough to handle demanding print jobs without making you wait, boosting your productivity and ensuring your professional output always looks its best. You'll be amazed at the consistent, professional results. Beyond these incredible features, it's worth noting that Xerox has also focused on smarter sustainability, incorporating over 30% post-consumer recycled plastic and achieving global accreditations like EPEAT and ENERGY STAR to reduce energy usage. Plus, their Green World Alliance program makes returning used cartridges a breeze. And for those concerned about data, comprehensive security features like authentication and encryption protect your sensitive documents against cyber threats. So, who is the Xerox C320 for? It's for anyone who demands professional quality, effortless operation, and robust connectivity without compromise. It's for you, if you're tired of printer headaches and ready for a device that truly works with you. This printer isn't just about putting ink on paper. It's about empowering your productivity, enhancing your professional image, and bringing a sense of calm to your daily tasks. It's an investment in efficiency and quality that pays dividends every single day. If you're ready to upgrade your printing experience and finally get a color laser printer that delivers on its promises, the Xerox C320 is absolutely worth your consideration. Find the link in the description below to learn more and